If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Every form into which you enter information in QuickBooks has its own layout of fields, images, and labels for data entry and printed display. In QuickBooks, you can customize the form's layout to better suit your company's needs. For example, there are 3 preset formats for invoices: professional, service, and product. If these templates don't precisely fulfill your needs, you can customize them as needed. You can also customize more than invoices in QuickBooks. The forms you can customize in QuickBooks are invoices, sales receipts, credit memos, statements, purchase orders, estimates, and starting in QuickBooks 2021 and later, payment receipts. Starting in QuickBooks Desktop 2022, you can also perform limited customization of bill payment stubs if needed. Also, note that estimates are only available in QuickBooks Desktop Pro or higher. For each form other than the bill payment stubs, you can choose which fields and columns to include, where they appear in the form, and what they are called. After customizing the form, you can save the new layout as a custom template to use at your convenience. In QuickBooks, you use the Basic Customization and Additional Customization windows to apply general form customization. These windows let you decide which fields to add to the form for both on-screen display and the printed version. However, note that bill payment stubs are limited to only the basic customization options. After performing basic customization, you can then use the Layout Designer to arrange the selected fields, set additional formatting options, and add text boxes and images to the printed version of the form. You begin the process by selecting Lists, Templates from the menu bar to open the Templates list. In the Templates list, click the Templates button in the lower left corner. To make a new template, select the New command from the pop-up menu that then appears. In the Select Template Type dialog box that then opens, select the Option button for the type of form to create. Then click the OK button to begin customizing your selected form template in the Basic Customization window that appears. After creating a form template and saving it into the templates list, which you will learn how to do within the upcoming lessons in this chapter, you can later edit the template by selecting it in the templates list, clicking the Templates button in the lower left corner, and then selecting the Edit Template command from the pop-up menu to reopen the Basic Customization window. To delete a custom template from the templates list, select the template to delete in the Templates list, click the Templates button in the lower left corner of the list, and then select the Delete Template command from the pop-up menu. You must then click the OK button in the Delete Template confirmation dialog box that appears to delete the selected template. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.